Are you aware of these extensions for Google Keep? Well, the best Google Keep extensions enhance its functionality, making it more versatile and user-friendly. Some popular and useful extensions include the official Google Chrome web extension. You can also head over to Google Chrome and search in for Google Keep Chrome extension, and you can click this. Here you can see it has various features here. You can save URLs, text and images, take notes on saved contents, add labels to your notes, and also it automatically saves to Google Keep as well. And there are various other as well. You can search in another one that is Markdown. So you can search in Markdown here. So you can select this Markdown here as well. This extension enables you to format your notes using Markdown syntax, adding more flexibility to your note taking. The other is Google Keep Full Screen Edit. You can search in for it as well. Google Keep Full Screen Edit. You can see this extension right here. This extension allows you to view and edit your Google Keep notes in full screen as well. So you can check out the features down below. You can also search in tabs for Google Keep. Here, category tabs for Google Keep. This extension provides better organization for your Google Keep notes by allowing you to create and manage tabs within the application. So these were the best extensions for Google Keep. You should definitely try out. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.